It is indeed an historic opportunity to be the host for such a international global Bharat Summit. At this juncture, I would also like to add that Telangana has been the cradle of different kinds of people's movements. Land reforms, peasant struggle, Dalit movements, and one of the greatest self-help movement for women for economic self-reliance. It is indeed a great honor and privilege to be a part of such a summit in Hyderabad, in Telangana. And in this occasion, I do remember the Gandhian practice of Swaraj, which has, of course, inspired movements and leaders across the globe, like Nelson Mandela ji, Martin Luther King Jr., and several other movements, which has raised voices against imperialist forces, against neo-colonial forces, against apartheid, and many other injustice and inequalities. And I do remember freedom and democracy as envisaged by Mahatma Gandhi and Baba Saheb as self-realization, as not just acquisition of authority, but by the acquisition of the capacity by all to resist authority when it is abused. And I think for progressive parties across the globe of different spectrum, this is the guiding line. This is the guiding principle for all of us. This Bharat Summit would give us a unique opportunity to reimagine the state, the nation state and its architecture in the new global context. It would also give us the opportunity of understanding this fight of right against the might. This would also give us the opportunity of realizing the spirit, the true power and the nature of citizenship, of true citizenry, of developing enlightened citizenry, and through that to envisage Swaraj as development, to keep people at the center of development, to keep people as the focal point of development, and to think about a future where, as Nehruji rightly says in his book, The Discovery of India, where he goes on to describe Bharat Mata ki Jai and Bharat Mata as the people of this country, as the environment of this country, and the harmonious coexistence between the two. And I would see Bharat Summit not only being relevant in this regard for us, for the Indian National Congress, for our leaders of opposition in the Lok Sabha and in the Rajya Sabha, that is Shri Rahul Gandhi ji and Shri Mallikarjun Kharge ji, our inspiration, Madam Sonia Gandhi ji, but also for all the political parties subscribing to progressive thought, progressive ideology across the globe to come annually and to chalk out, to charter a path forward where people would matter, where people would be at the center of the entire architecture of development and progress. Thank you. And now I would request Gurdeep Sappal ji to address the media.